Hello YouTubers, JW Solar here. The clouds started clearing up. We got some clear ambience. So KYOCERA is bringing 2.3 amps, 25.5 volts on the batteries right now. So let's check what's the voltage. The voltage is 65.7 volts coming in from the KYOCERA array. 4 KYOCERA 120 watt each, 7.45 amps coming out or for each panel. So I wired them in series. They started pushing some power right now, and the other guys is down here. I just installed the meter. I'm trying to hook it up right now to see what that array can give us. Okay, all right, I'll be back with you shortly. Okay YouTube, we're gonna be bringing the second array, which is the black panels, and see, it's bringing up to about 49 volts right now. Okay, it drops to 38. 1.5 amps. It's bringing in. Okay, now it's live. This is the second array. It's just coming up. The KYOCERA is bringing 1.6, and the other battery bank, other solar array is bringing. These are the darker cells, and these are the KYOCERAs. So they're all doing good now. Sorry for all the shaking. I'm climbing on the ladder, so that's why. So they pumping power. It's almost like bringing the same. 1.3, 1.4, 1.4 is the KYOCERA. 1.3 is the darker cells. It's monocrystalline. So, all right, okay. Both array is making power now, and all setting parameters and everything, configurations are all the same. So you see right there, these are the high voltage one, just changed to 25.9, and that one is still sit on 25 point. Okay, they both changed now, and the KYOCERA is doing pretty good right now. KYOCERA is bringing more power, 2.3 amps to the batteries. These are the KYOCERAs. These are the Japanese panels, the black ones. So KYOCERA is doing good. KYOCERA is now on high voltage. Is on series. Why are the other ones on parallel? Because of one panel is a 55.5 open circuit. So if I series them, it's gonna be 110, which is really small for this charge controller. Charge controller can handle it. This is the old one, the first charge controller, and up here is the second charge controller. That one is the 40 amps, but they're all 100 volts. Now I would have got the I don't want to get the 30 amp, which is on this tracer, guys. The 30 amp is the only one can go up to about 150 volts. Can take up to about 150 volts, but the 20, the 40, they just on 100 volt inputs. So I don't want to just get a 30, so I decided this one, no, it is the old one. This is a 20. So maybe it would have been good having those new panels. The Japanese panels, the black one, would be on the if this was a 30 amp, that would have been 150 volt. So I can still play with 150 volts with series, both panels. 55.5 times 2 would have given me like 110. So even when winter time will be okay, because winter time it tends to produce more power, so you have to oversize your system. Make sure you give it some room to breathe, or else you're gonna run into so much trouble on winter time, because that's the time you produce more amps. So I don't know, maybe we'll probably end up changing this 20 to a 30, so we have 40 and a 20 amp charger, because he don't want to go, Tom don't want to go big anymore. I think he's okay with this. So these are the new disconnect for the Japanese panels, the black ones, and that's the disconnect from the KYOCERAs. So we still have to do some work here and try to caulk this one, you know, so that we'll have any bugs coming in. Like I said, it's just in a hurry and all that stuff. So everything seems to look good. It's charging the batteries now. Yeah, they're going really fast. Yeah, with two solar array, at least they bring in some power. You do the math right there, 1.8, 1.6. So that's the amperage we're bringing in right now. Okay, all right, we are still charging the batteries. I suppose they're kind of a little bit happy now. You know, clouds, still cloudy out there, and the two arrays are doing pretty good. I'll show you the way it looks outside. See that? Still overcast. There's a traffic going on right there. Clouds are dark. This other side of the house looks so kind of a little bit bright. But Tom don't want any panel on his roof, so top of the roof. So this is what we decided to do this. You can see from that window right there, that's where the panels are, right in here. So it's almost 3 o'clock, 4, sorry, which is 1600 hours here in Minnesota time. Look at those clouds, and we're still making power. These are the two bad boys here. No, still making power. So all right, this is JW Solar USA. I hope you like this video and all this series. we're almost coming to an end for this project. If you have been following this series from start, well, thank you so much. I appreciate that, and I hope you learned something from this. I hope you learned something from these. If you don't learn anything, that's okay. I know there are other people out there who probably can do a better job more than this, but you know what? Everybody has his own system. Everybody wants a different way of setting up his system. So this is what Tom wants. I cannot make too much adjustments. What he told me, what he wants, that's what I'm doing. For me, I would do something different, but this is what he wants. He don't want any sophisticated stuff. He don't want any complex machines. He wants something, just push something, it comes on, or turn the breaker on, it comes on. He don't want too much fancy stuff, but so far so good. He likes this. Look at the clouds there. It's all cloudy. It's all cloudy. Just a little ambience right there. That's the only place we can collect light, sunlight right now. Well, I hope everything works. I hope you like, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, thumbs up, positive comments, bad comments. I'll still learn from my mistake. I'm not perfect. Okay, take care and God bless.